let's continue from here. That was the time duration I said from the video. Now these are the jumper wires. We have series of jumper wires. There are some that the two head are pointed. You can see here and here they are both pin, which is what something you can connect between. Here you see a pin is in this place to a pin on the breadboard, while we also have another type which is here, which is different from that one. How does this one work? Is when you use this head here, what you have here and here, this one you use it to plug it into this place, then the pin head can connect into the breadboard. That's what happened with the jumper wires here. That is its use. Why this one is when you want to connect between a breadboard and a particular portion here, this portion here, while this one is for what? Breadboard and the iron plug here on a particular device. This one are remote controls used when you create something here. You use it based on remote control for it to operate. Similar thing goes for this. These ones are what? Resistors. When you want to create a resistor between a particular device or supplying of power, this is something you use to determine that. You know, there are calculations regarding color of resistor. You determine it based on what you plug. We have the series of resistors here, as you can see here. Those are what we have here. And this is another one used for motions or plug. When you want to determine something based on plug operation, this is what you use. Now let's come to our LED display. LED display also has something like this. The very place you can see covered with the foil has similar plug here, which you use this type of jumper wire to do. Something like this is what we have here, which is similar as the jumper wire we have here. So hope that one is clear there. And also we have a Bluetooth device. Though before the Bluetooth device, this is another advanced, let me call it a motherboard. When you want a system and a device to have a place where when you have this Arduino chip transcribing maybe this sensor and this one, and you want to add an additional device to to operate an information, more like if this one calculate distance, is for the motherboard to read this and transfer it to this LED as I showed previous. Now what if you want to add another one? Maybe this one is already reading distance, you want another one to read temperature and humidity. Now if you don't want this Arduino to carry high pressure, you can use this